Greetings, everyone. Welcome to this introductory preview episode of the Higher Ed Geek podcast. My name is Dustin Ramsdell, and I have been a blogger, podcaster, and higher ed professional for the past several years, and I will also be your host. I'm excited to be exploring together here the intersections of life and geekdom, speaking with folks from the higher ed realm as well as other geeky pursuits. And I want this to be a place where we celebrate nerdiness and geek outs, where we learn more about people's stories and explore how our geeky interests add value to our lives in a positive way. So I look forward to having you join me and having you engage with the show. I hope to hear your thoughts, ideas, and feedback so we can all continue to grow together here. Episodes will premiere starting on November 1st and go out weekly every Wednesday from there. So I'll meet you back here soon for the next episode. And thanks for stopping by.